back to QuietKat's video series on maintenance. In this video, we're going to unbox the Explorer light and install it on the handlebars. So we'll go ahead and open up the box here with the light. One folds off the top. The light itself is going to slide out. And then down in the lower box, you're going to find the handlebar clamp mount and of course, USB cable for charging. To charge the lamp, use the USB cable provided or any micro USB cable. Open up the flap on the back that says micro to expose the plug. This USB needs to be plugged into any 5 volt 2 amp charger. This is going to be a standard cell phone charger, iPhone charger. You can even plug it right into the USB on your computer. So the handlebar clip comes with the light, and that'll clip onto the handlebar, or it can really clip onto any round bar surface. So if you want to use this on the campsite, definitely a great tool off the bike as well. The way it clips on, you're going to have the clip part towards the front, and you simply slide the lamp right on along. On the side, there's a little button to release. Go ahead and slide the lamp back out. There you go. So let's go ahead and put the clamp onto the handlebar. So the first thing we're going to do, unscrew the bolt that holds the tension on the clamp. That way we have enough clearance. Let's go ahead and open that up. That'll pivot out, pivot the clamp open. Now remember, the bolt needs to be towards the front for the lamp to go on. So we're going to go ahead and mount that around the widest part of the bar, close to the analyst. Bring this around and make a little adjustment to the bolt so we can clear it. Slide it in place. Then we're going to tighten the bolt to get it nice and snug. This should be tight enough so that the lamp is not moving around on the bar, but not so tight that we break the clamp. Looks good. Let's go ahead and add the light. So again, locate the slider on the bottom of the light. Simply go from forward to back, slide it into place, and then we can make some adjustments based on where we want the light to point. If we push the button one time, it's going to turn on first with the red light. If we press it again, it's going to go to the dim red light. One more time, we go to our bright white, then to our dim white, and then back to red. To turn the light off, simply push and hold the button, and it turns right off. And that's the Explorer light installed on the QuietKat. Now we're ready to ride.